Hello, and welcome to Special Soup Episode 3. Today, we will be using parts of my pizza, ranch dressing, french fries, broccoli and cheese, corn, salt, pepper, ketchup, chips, and my friend Mr. Mexican Hands will be helping me. Alright, let's get this started. Go start out with your all-natural white milk. If I can get it open. Alright. Then we need ranch. Broccoli and cheese, french fry, chips, no, I'm gonna drink that, salt and pepper mix, get a close-up of that.
That's the season. That's the season.
Alright, come on out, Mr. Mexican Hands. What have you got for us today? Alright, Mr. Mexican Man. Thanks, I guess. Oh, and you have something else? Thank you, Mr. Mexican Man. Alright. Hey, Mr. Mexican Man. You like my new hat? Alright, time for the mixing of this. We'll get a close-up of that. I forgot to add the chocolate. Get a good close-up of that mixture. Alright. And as always, cheers. Oh my god. This has been Special Soup.
When you're done drinking your special soup over there, that's the product. And you're quite thirsty after that. You might want some salt water.
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper water, yeah. It comes in a lot of different flavors. More salt, less salt. More pepper, less pepper.
And water.
And water.
I like to go to many places. I like to make funny faces. I like to crack a funny joke. My favorite drink is a can of Coke. I like to go to baseball games. I can't remember